the domain and range of the inverse trigonometric functions. We are going to find the values for few of the inverse trigonometric functions. Now, if you want to find sine inverse of root 3 by 2. All of us know sine inverse of root 3 by 2 is 60 degrees. So, this is nothing but pi by 3. Okay, always have the habit of writing as pi by 3. And once you write the answer, please check it lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So, does it lie, this is 60, it lies between minus 90 to plus 90. Actually, you will not get any problem when you are doing for positive numbers. You must be careful only when you do for negative numbers. So, let me concentrate on all the negative numbers. Let me concentrate for all the 6 trigonometric functions with negative values here. Okay. Suppose I want to find sine inverse of negative root 3 by 2. As I told you, for positive, you know the answer is pi by 3, and for minus root 3 by 2, this is just going to be minus pi by 3. That's all. And this is in the domain which is minus pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Suppose I want to find cos inverse of half. What is for positive cos inverse? For positive half, you know it is cos 60 is half. Okay, so what is cos 60 is pi by 3. Okay, so you know for positive it is pi by 3, but I cannot put a minus. Suppose if, and you know cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, and therefore we go to the second quadrant, and the domain for cos is going to be 0 to pi, both inclusive. Okay, so this is going to be the second quadrant, and when the angle is in the second quadrant, cos is negative in the second quadrant, and this is going to be pi minus pi by 3, which is going to be 2 pi divided by 3. So for sine inverse, you just need to change the sign. Find for the positive, just change the sign. For cos inverse, find for the positive, and it will be the second quadrant, therefore pi minus whatever angle you are finding it with the positive number. So pi minus whatever it is, and so it is going to be 2 pi divided by 3. Okay, let us see for tan. If you want to find tan inverse of negative 1, what is for tan inverse of positive 1? 45 degrees, and you know 45 is pi by 4. So let me write for the positives to start with, and you know tan inverse of minus theta is minus tan inverse theta. So you have to just put a minus sign, and this lies in the principal domain, pi minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, pi by both of them not included, all the in between values. Suppose I ask you to find for secant inverse of root 2. Negative root 2, because we are mostly concentrating on negative numbers. So what is secant inverse of root 2? You know secant and cos are inverse of each other. Okay, so you are supposed to write secant inverse as cos inverse, and you should write the reciprocal here. That's all. Both the places reciprocal. Be very careful. So secant inverse reciprocal is cos inverse, and the reciprocal of root 2 is 1 by root 2. This negative sign can be put anywhere. And you know for cos 1 by root 2 it is pi by 4. And for cos you know it is in the second quadrant. So it is pi minus pi by 4, which is 3 pi divided by 4. So when secant, cosecant and cot comes, we convert it to sine, cos, tan, and then do the answer. Okay. Suppose I want to do for cosecant inverse of 2 by root 3 with a negative sign. As I told you, positive there is no problem at all. It is all in the first quadrant. So I am just explaining to you how to do for the negative numbers. So cosecant inverse, I don't want to do with cosecant. So this becomes sine inverse of, this reciprocal is taken, take reciprocal here also, root 3 by 2. But without sign, which sign is root 3 by 2? You know it is 60 degrees. So this is going to be 60 degrees, which is pi by 3. Because there is a minus, put a minus sign. So basically, so inverse trigonometric function, we remember the values for sine, cos, tan, and sine and tan, just change the sign when it is negative, and for cos you need to go to the second quadrant, which is pi minus. So like this we will be calculating the values for inverse trigonometric functions. Hope this is clear for you, and this is very important because with this only we are going to do the